welcome back to Speak English Easy with Podcast. I'm John.
And I'm Olivia. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Do you forget your words because you are scared?
Today, we are going to help you. Our topic is Speak with Confidence and Comfort. We will give you 6 simple rules.
If you want to speak English easily without fear, this episode is exactly for you. We have some great tips today.
Before we begin, think about your own life. Who do you speak English with? A teacher, a friend, or maybe people at your job?
It is a good question. Many people feel very comfortable with their teacher, but they feel nervous with strangers.
Yes, that is very normal. But today, we will change that. Let's start with rule number 1. Do not be afraid of mistakes.
What does that mean, John?
It means everybody makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Yes, a mistake shows you are trying. Do you worry about mistakes when you speak? Please, don't worry.
The most important thing is communication. Can the other person understand your idea? That is what matters.
Exactly. For example, if I say, he go to the store, the grammar is wrong. It should be he goes, but you still understand my meaning.
Right. So don't stop talking just because you might make a small grammar mistake. Keep talking.
Listeners, do you agree with this? Tell us in the comments. Are you afraid of making mistakes in English?
We love reading your comments. Okay, let's move to rule number 2. Talk to yourself in English.
Talk to yourself. That sounds funny, but it works very well.
It really does. When you are alone at home, describe what you are doing out loud.
Yes, you can say, I am making tea. The water is hot. Now I am washing the cup.
You can look in the mirror and practice talking. It builds your speaking confidence because nobody is watching you. You feel safe.
I used to do this. I talked to my dog in English. He was a very good listener.
That is a great idea. Pets are perfect practice partners.
Let's do a short recap. Rule 1 is do not fear mistakes. Rule 2 is talk to yourself. Simple, right? But very helpful.
It is quiz time.
Here's a question for you.
Why is talking to yourself in English a good idea?
Option A, because no one is watching, so you feel safe.
Option B, because it makes your grammar perfect immediately.
Take a few seconds to think.
The correct answer is option A, because no one is watching, so you feel safe.
How did you do? Write your answer in the comments. We enjoy seeing your progress.
All right, let's look at rule number 3. Learn phrases, not just words.
This is my favorite rule. A phrase is a group of words that go together.
Yes, instead of learning the word much and the word cost, you learn the phrase, how much does it cost?
When you learn a full phrase, you don't have to think about grammar. You just say the phrase.
Exactly. It makes your speaking much faster and more natural.
Another example is, nice to meet you. We learn it as one piece. We don't build it word by word.
So every time you learn a new word, try to learn a short sentence with it. It will help you speak with comfort.
Do you follow this rule in your life? Do you write down phrases in your notebook?
Listeners, stay with us because rule number 5 is very powerful. You really want to hear it.
But first, let's talk about rule number 4. Listen and repeat.
This is a great exercise. You can do this with our podcast.
Yes, when you hear us say a sentence, pause the podcast and repeat the sentence. Try to copy the way we say it. Copy the emotion and the rhythm.
It's like singing a song. You listen to the singer, and then you try to sing like them.
Yes, and doing this every day will make your English speaking sound very natural.
Short recap. We have talked about making mistakes, talking to yourself, learning phrases, and repeating out loud.
We are halfway through our tips. Before we continue, we have a quick reminder.
If you are enjoying this podcast and learning today, please like the video.
Yes, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new episode.
And write a comment. It helps our channel grow, and we love connecting with you, our listeners.
Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's go back to our topic.
All right, Olivia, it is time for rule number 5. I said this one is very powerful.
Yes, it is. Rule number 5 is smile and relax your body.
Smile? How does smiling help my English?
When you smile, your body relaxes. When your body relaxes, your brain works much better.
Oh, I see. If you are feeling tight and nervous, you forget words.
Exactly, John. Fear blocks your memory. But when you smile and take a deep breath, the words come back.
Also, people like talking to someone who is smiling. It makes the conversation friendly and comfortable.
Even if you don't understand everything, a smile shows you are trying to be polite.
So, before you speak English, take a deep breath, drop your shoulders, and put a smile on your face.
Try it right now, listeners. Take a deep breath and smile. Doesn't it feel good?
It really does. Let us know how you feel in the comments below.
Now we are at our final rule. Rule number 6. Practice every single day.
Practice makes perfect, even if it is only for 5 or 10 minutes a day.
Consistency is the secret. It's better to practice 10 minutes every day than to practice 2 hours once a week.
Yes, when you practice every day, English becomes a normal part of your life. It becomes a habit.
You can listen to a podcast while you drive to work, or you can talk to yourself while you take a shower.
You just need to hear and speak some English every day.
Let's do a short recap of the last 3 rules.
Rule 4 is listen and repeat. Rule 5 is smile and relax.
And Rule 6 is practice every single day.
You are doing great, listeners. Are you ready for our second quiz?
It is quiz time.
Here is a question for you.
Why is talking to yourself in English a good idea?
Option A, because no one is watching, so you feel safe.
Option B, because it makes your grammar perfect immediately.
Take a few seconds to think. The correct answer is option A, because no one is watching, so you feel safe.
How did you do? Write your answer in the comments. We enjoy seeing your progress.
All right, let's quickly remember all 6 rules for speaking with confidence. Keep these in your mind today.
Rule 1 is do not fear mistakes. Rule 2 is talk to yourself.
Rule 3 is learn phrases, not just words.
Rule 4 is listen and repeat.
Rule 5 is smile and relax.
And Rule 6 is practice every single day.
Which of these rules will you start using today? Choose just one to begin with.
That's a great advice, John. Start small. Pick one rule and try it this week.
Learning to speak comfortably is a journey. It takes time, but you can definitely do it.
We believe in you. We hope these tips help you feel more confident about your English.
Remember to practice your English by talking about these rules with a friend.
Thank you for listening to Speak English Easy with Podcast. We are so proud of your hard work.
Yes, we are. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep smiling.
Please like the video, subscribe, and write a comment. We will see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone. Have a great day.
Bye. Speak with confidence.